Bom dia, tudo bem? Hoje é sábado, 27 de setembro. When you're greeted like a sunrise like this, it makes it easy to get out of bed knowing you're going to see something like this. Just incredible. Absolutely incredible. I don't think I'll ever take this for granted. Nice way to start the day, eh? And looking off a little north to Praça Giramundo, town square is still lit up. The other nice thing about the morning is, I don't know if you can make out, saw some great stars. I couldn't get my time lapse set up last night, sadly. My DJI camera was just giving me issues with settings. But the other thing, what do you not notice? The wind. The wind drops down to a reasonable 10 miles an hour overnight into early morning, so it's just not smacking you in the face. It's really nice. You can hear the ocean now, where earlier you can't. But yeah, watching this is super cool. All right, we'll check back in a bit, I'd say. It's just so weird when it's calm. I wish it was like this all the time. Breeze has picked up just a touch, but I wish it was like this calm all the time. Oh well, whatever. Oh, some dark clouds up there. We got rain last night. I forgot to bring that chair in. Only one of the 4 forecast models I look at called for any rain. It was like a half a millimeter, so again, it shouldn't last long, but it's definitely raining up there now. That's a pretty common sight. Yeah, this whole area here is a low area. It's just that the building is, you can see, it was poorly constructed and is not being maintained. I don't know how old it is, but every room has minor and major problems with it in terms of how it was constructed and lack of maintenance here. But anyway, I'm gonna head back and do. Oh, we can just barely see the sun creeping up there. Super cool. It must be. Yep, it's 5:05 now. I think. Yeah, it must have been 5:04. I think with sunrise. So, and now you can just watch that thing crawl up. Very cool. All right, that's it. So, believe it or not, I have essentially, from what I can tell anyway. There's my little camp out spot right there, shady little spot against that rock. I lit this whole beach to myself. There's a quadricycle and someone down there, but you can't beat this, eh? This is why I get spoiled. That's it. That's my last bag. All right. Well, I had a nice morning in Tambaba. Really early morning too. Early start to the day. Left about 12:30. Rita Christina and her sister were nice enough to let me stay. I offered to pay. Actually said 3. We're gonna be out of here by 2. My check-in is at 3 in Jampa. I've got to get gas first. I got to take the rental car back. So I'm gonna take the rental car back and then grab an Uber to the apartment in João Pessoa. But this will be it. You can see it's low tide right now. If I step outside, it's just going to be super windy and you're not going to be able to hear me. As I was coming up about 12:30, the couple across the hall were just leaving to go to the beach at the crack of 12:30. But yeah, apparently at weekends they just they wait till late or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, the wind kicked up. Anyway, we'll check back on the road on the way to Jampa and boa viagem. All right, até Jacumã, até próximo ano. Ciao, ciao. 2:30, really, most people are still at the beach. Shouldn't be a ton of traffic. I don't know what the school schedule is, bus-wise. Is that cool? Church. There's the main praça down there, where I got my hair cut. So I don't know what the school schedule is. But again, it's Saturday. People get to the beach late and leave late. That's why I kind of want to go to my condo first, but they're only going to have underground parking. I'm not going to be able to find parking to go check in and take my bags in. So that's why I was going to go turn the car in and just get an Uber from the car rental place to my condo. We'll see how it goes. I don't have a time lapse going for the journey home. I forgot and just packed up my camera. I'll wind up getting there early anyway. My car's not due until 5. So I've got, ooh, Espachino. That smells really, gosh. Oh, come on, dude. Are you kidding me? This is what drives me fucking nuts. Oh, they have pastéis. 6 clicks to the gas station. So this takes ethanol or gasoline. Ethanol is probably much cheaper than gasoline, although Petrobras is big. I don't know. We'll see. See what it is. So far, so good. We got stuck behind like some gravel truck that was just not going anywhere. Well, we're making progress now. That's it. Hey, 3:09. I didn't make bad time. I didn't make bad time. This is weird. Is this a bed? Is that a bedroom? So this is supposed to have. Okay, so that's the bathroom. That's weird. What is? This is obviously going to be my room. All right, I'll bite. Let's see. What does? Okay. Okay. Tiny. You know, the pictures make it look much big. Ooh, the floor is nice and chilly. The pictures make it look much bigger than what it is. Okay. Okay, they put the kitchen out here. So this is where we do our cooking. This is really weird. It's so good to be back in João Pessoa. I was really sad to leave Jacumã, but okay, man. Jeez, so Pete, now admitted this place was a little pricey, but hey, look at the view. You can see. I'll have to just ask this from up here. So the entrance is on the left, but yeah, this is bad, eh? There's people behind me over there. Hello, Jampa. So good to be home. They got the boats out there. It's a busy day at the beach. All those tables and chairs are full right now. All right, I'll get unpacked. Check on Kelvin. He's in tomorrow. And that's up there. That's the pool. That's not going to get me much of a better view, to be honest. This is pretty cool. I mean, it's kind of worn down, worn out. The pictures made it look a lot more warming. Well, at least they got a chair here or whatever. But yeah, but we cook out here. That's weird. Make sure the fridge is on when I go shopping later. All right, we'll do another tour. All right, that's it. So I was just making sure the fridge was on, and there's pratos, copos, chicas, talleres. So then this would be like my room in here, and I can't open it. I think I'm probably supposed to open the other side. I don't know. This place is much smaller than what I thought. Well, yeah, I'm not complaining. I'll be out there most of the time. What if that place is air conditioned? Is this air conditioned? No. No, that's not air conditioned. It's okay. I mean, we're not gonna, not gonna be watching a ton of TV or whatever. But now this is a nice big area in here. I can do a bunch of work here. That's nice. I got a nice little desk in here, so that's cool. Very cool, comfortable bed. What's out this way? Okay, I gotta fight that. I'm gonna fight that later. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna get strong Wi-Fi. Huh? I gotta set that up. All right. Let's get settled. Get some groceries here, snacks, whatever, and we'll check back later. At 6 o'clock exactly, which means it's dinner time. It's dinner 30. Finally, I'm gonna head up to Giramundo, which should only take just a few minutes walk. There's the beachcomber out there right now. One of the reasons why João Pessoa has such nice, clean beaches. Aracajou, take a note. You guys could use a few of those. This is the most southern I've ever stayed down in Cabo Branco. I was kind of curious to see what it's like. Very lively. You can only take so much of this at one time. The cart trucks are out, the food kiosks are out, the Bom Dog cart is out. Some of the best food I've ever had came out of the trunk of a car. Anyway, I'm gonna get dressed, get some food, and see. Oh my god, this traffic is just crazy right now. I think what it is everyone's just leaving the beach. Beaches are deserted now, but everyone's trying to leave the beach. Fun times. That's it. Oh, Emilio Can's one of my all-time favorites. We're gonna wait on that. There's just so much food and so little time. YouTube. Empanadas. Gotta try those.
suco gelado, suco detox, temos a levada.
É, 22 minutos.
That's definitely an upgrade to Paulista Pizza. Matutu Timoso. That looks great. That's what this place needed. We'll see how they do. There's a heart of Jampa. What's going on? Okay, we gotta buzz through this real quick. I got a little Fear Libre Saturday night. We gotta check this out. I should be seeing some drones in the air right now. Oh, Emilio Kench, Pipoca, batatas fritas, churros. I definitely Jampa. Oh, now he moves away, right? Fun never ends. Well, it was great to see my friends at Giramundo. Lady was working, Bruno was working. Had a great meal. I had some camarão de escondido, which is like a cheesy macaxeira mash with some camarão in there. Also had a little espadinho also. I'm gonna grab a little bit of street food. I got some more room left in my belly, and I'm gonna grab some street food on the way home. So this will be fun. All right, that's it.